Yan. Are you ready? Oy, tawa ka ng tawa. Are you ready? Wala. Pag natalo kayo, ha? Alaskado kayo sa akin. Okay, everybody, round number 1. Raise the ball. Ready, get set, go! Alright, so it's up to you how we're going to put the blocks inside. Either you do it one at a time, or sabay-sabay, it's up to you. Basta you have to put all the blocks inside. The 5 blocks. Now, when you finish, raise the ball. Make sure that you have 5 blocks inside the ball before you raise it. Okay, alright. Naunang girls. Girls, pag kulang to, panalo sila, ha? Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4... 5 blocks inside the ball, girls. 1 point. Okay, nahuhulog talaga yan. Nahuhulog talaga. Yan, okay. Girls, 1 point. Okay, boys. Okay, round number 2. Round number 2. That's why be careful pagtaas, ha. Sometimes nahuhulog, ha. Okay. Girls, 1 point. Boys, you have to win this time. Pag sila pa nanalo, we're not going to play the third rounds, okay? Kasi sila na yung winners talaga. Okay, ready? Round number 2. Get set, go! Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright, boys. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 5 blocks inside the ball. Okay, everybody, girls, boys, this is now the final round. Okay, I want you to do your best. Everybody, I want you to do your best, okay? Final round. Boys, are you ready? Teka, nag-meeting pa sila. Girls, are you ready? Raise the ball. Get set, go! Whoever wins in this round, sila na yung winner. Okay. Pag-bilis, ha? Ang ginawa nyo, parang nilapag ko lang, tapos tinaas na. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 blocks inside the ball, and the winner is the boys team! Okay. Ayan, okay. Boys. Boys, stand up, boys. Okay, boys. Okay, I want you to choose your prize. Choose your prize. Get only 1 prize. 1 prize lang. 1 prize. Just get 1 prize. Okay. 1 prize.